In this video, we're going to look at how to set that the FAIR, which stands for First Article Inspection Report, has been completed. Now, depending on your settings, you'll notice here the FAIRS, no FAIRS, and new FAIRS only. So depending on how these are set will determine whether your system requires FAIR to be completed in order to ship the part. So with these settings here, we can see that with new FAIRS only, what this means is if the part has never shipped before, it will have to have a FAIR in place before it can ship. This is only for new parts that have never shipped. If I uncheck that, I would need a FAIR for every single shipment. If I click this, I never need FAIRS. So we're gonna go with new FAIRS only. We're gonna go back to this part we've been working on, and you can see that this work order 146 is ready to ship. So it's at the shipping station. We can also see it on display screens. So if we come over here and look at shipping, there it is. Work order 146 is ready to be shipped. And you can see how it says there's no FAIR on this part. So we're gonna go back over here to this part. And if you have the rights and permissions such as in the quality, employee, you will be able to sign off that the FAIR has been completed. There's two ways to do that. You can go through quality and add approved FAIR. You can click that. Or you can come down to quality and click on the green thumbs up. So if I click this green thumbs up or quality, add approved FAIR, both do the same. Now you'll see that FAIR has been approved, and that turns to a red thumbs down. And in quality, it's remove approved FAIR. So right now the approved FAIR has been placed into this part. Now when we refresh the screen, you see you have green FAIRS. We'll go back over here and unset that, so that there's the approved FAIR is not in place for this part. And if we try to ship the part, so we're gonna ship one, it'll say that it requires a FAIR before it can be shipped. So we'll go back to the part where we'll add the approved FAIR, and now we would be able to ship it. So that's how to flag that the part has an approved FAIR to it, and it's dependent upon your system settings.